Hello, welcome to the Trading Success Show. Today I will be discussing a few stocks that I'll be holding overnight or watching for this week. The swing that I entered a couple of weeks ago actually paid off, and that is CHEK. Let's check it out. CHEK, I got in this one. Okay, my entry was around the 150, 152 area for a swing. I was, expecting a move to come in within within a week or two, and we finally got this. Okay, so at this moment I took most of my position off at around 440 area, 425 and 440. I took all my position out except I'm holding 500 shares. I want to see if we can maintain this level. If we can hold this level of $3 and don't break the 275 250 area, we should be good to continue higher. Also our RSI is not in the overbought level, so I still think there will be a little pop on this CHEK. Okay, so now I have some that I'll be thinking overnight. There are a couple of them. The first one is going to be MOGO. MOGO, I really do like this one. My expectation is right around here. This is going to be the resistance, which is 1135. 1135 area is going to be our resistance. So no matter what happened, I would be taking a quarter of my size out at that $11, 1125 area for the into the resistance of 1135. Overall, I do like the fact that we held the trend, okay, and we're bouncing off the 20. Okay, so this, I'm still holding my position. I haven't sold any yet, and I'll see what it does this week. Next one is gonna be LOTZ. LOTZ, I think they have earnings today. So I'm looking for this. My focus is this trend break. Okay, if we can break this trend, that was where we try here. So if we can break this trend and reclaim the 975, we should be able to test the 200 moving average, which is 1023 area, for a move higher. I'm expecting this to keep pushing higher for the coming in the coming days. Volume is coming up decent, so I do like it. MACD is coiling up. Okay, so that one. Next is MBRV. MBRV is a recent reverse split stock. Okay, the only thing I don't like about this is way below the 200. So in order to trade this, I'm expecting a bounce, because if you look at the distance from the 200 to where the price is, it's just too far away. So I'm expecting a reclaim of this level right here, which is the 20 EMA. If we can break this level, our resistance is just right around the corner around here, which I can extend it to our 50 EMA. So this one, keep this on your radar. MACD is coiling up, and our RSI is fantastic. Okay, it should be like a really decent run up. It wouldn't be a small candle. It would be a very solid move for the day. So keep that on your radar. Next one is DPW. Okay, DPW. This one, right now we just need to reclaim that 20 and the 50, and we should be good. MACD is coiling up. RSI is decent. Next one is CNET. Okay, CNET, we have our resistance around the $4 area. Let me put that up there, right there. So this is gonna be our resistance. Okay, we pull back and we held this level here, which is our support, and then started, pushing higher and higher and higher. So now we need to break the $4 area, and we should be able to test new highs. Okay, that's DPW. I like the RSI on this one as well as the MACD calling up. Okay, we just need the volume right there. We just need this volume to come in. If we can get volume, we should be good. Next one is going to be NNOX. Okay, NNOX, pretty much the same thing. We just need to fight this 20 and 50. Okay, once we fight this area, we should be all right. We just need to reclaim. If we can reclaim this level, okay, which is $54, we should be pushing higher. But I expect this name to get going in the coming days with a favorable market. Okay, and BRQX, this one also is kind of really choppy. Okay, so I'm expecting a reclaim and a hold of this level. If we can, maintain this level 165, we should be good to push higher. JILL is another one. Okay, I did trade this today, day trade actually. So I'll expect this to continue higher, but I will be watching it for an entry. Okay, I will be watching it for a re-entry. So right here, this is our trend, and we're breaking the trend. Okay, so volume is good. Okay, volume is good, so I like that. Next is going to be JAN. Oh, beautiful, what a chart. Okay, now my idea on this is to break this level. Okay, if we can break this level, I'll say 950. If we can get to 950, hold that level solidly, we should be able to push higher to the next resistance, which is $11, $12. Okay, so that is for JAN. Okay, I'm looking for this kind of green move. Okay, I'm looking for this kind of green move, so keep your eye on it. Okay, next is going to be LGHL. Okay, this is really choppy. I just need us to break this area. Okay, if we can break this area, we should be fine. However, if you look at this, we have this here, we have this, and we have this. So technically we have what they call head and shoulder. Okay, it signals bearish. Okay, so if we can reclaim 450, which is this area, if we can push through 450, okay, and then tap the left shoulder resistance, and we should be good to go higher. RSI is good, volume is good, and MACD is fantastic. Next one is gonna be ENZ. They report earnings today, so keep your eye on this one. Okay, this is fantastic. I need this to break this level. We are actually holding the 20 and the 50 area. Volume is so good. I love the volume. Volume is fantastic. Look at that. Okay, and our MACD is calling. However, we are 50% RSI, so that is good. Next one is going to be Apple. Okay, AAPL. AAPL had quite a move today. The move is so strong, or it was so strong. So I'm expecting Apple to try to reject the $124.32 area. If we cannot hold this area, we will pull back. We will reject it. Otherwise, I see 126.75, 126.81. Okay, for us to test that level, which is our 50 EMA. Overall, we have the trend. We need the trend to work in our favor. So the trend in conjunction with the 20 EMA, that is going to be our level to watch. Okay, that is going to be our level. However, our MACD is coiling up, volume is coming in, and we are not in the overbought or oversold level yet. We're just about 50% within that area. So we still need more stimulus to go in, okay? As soon as people, our citizens, as soon as everyone begin to receive their stimulus, we should be able to push in the market. Now, talking about the market, we have SPY. SPY, from my video about a month ago, just a couple of weeks ago, where I was actually analyzing a situation whereby the SPY will pull back and try to test the 50 EMA. So we did pull back to test the 50 EMA and we push higher, and then we couldn't hold that level of resistance, and then we pulled back, okay? And then we just couldn't sustain that price action at the 50, okay? We couldn't sustain it, so as a result, we pull back to shake, the weak hands away, okay? And now we started going higher and higher. Higher and higher we go. So my predicted level was 395. If we can break 395 and the stimulus check comes in, I think we have $400 per share on SPY. That was my intention. That was what I predicted that is going to happen. And right now, that's what we're seeing right now. So I'm thinking and I believe that we are headed to $400 per share, or anything close to $400 per share. We could get $399. We could get $399 or $398. That is exactly the same thing as my 400. Okay, but anyways, so there you go. We broke out the trend, and now we are pushing higher. Okay, we are about 61% on the RSI, and we are calling on the MACD with increased volume coming in. So the more people get their stimulus check, the more is going to be pumped into the market. Maybe not GME, but other stocks. Even Tesla could benefit from it because a lot of people love Tesla as well. Okay, so that's it for today. All right, that's it for today, and hope you all have a good evening, and see you on the trading floor tomorrow. Bye bye.